Good morning, traders. I hope you are having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to trade. So, without further ado, let's begin. And we have waited crude oil for the entire day to reach this level and get rejected. We do not usually trade this late in the market. As you could see, it's almost around 9 o'clock, and the market are usually bit volatile at this point of time, or they are a bit more stagnated. But I waited the entire day. You could see the previous bullish candle, green bullish candles, and I got it at a really good level. It was almost a perfect trade, almost a perfect trade, because if the time wouldn't have ended earlier, we could have captured around 50 points in crude oil, and it would have been really amazing in a single lot. So let me give you the reason why I've taken the trade here specifically, because the crude oil was traveling in a channel pattern for quite a long time, and yesterday it broken that thing, and this is the retracement till the channel pattern, and it got rejected, and it would fall down continuously from this point of time. So the entry was absolutely perfect on the perfect level, the rejection and the bit consolidation and then a fall. So the entry was good, but target was a bit big, as I expected a big target because it might fall down till the weekly CPR on US oil. So my target was big, but the time was not sufficient for the fall. As you could see, after a big red candle, I retraced stop loss and put down to my risk is around 10 points in this thing. So reason number one was it was a retracement. Reason number two, the RSI was at oversold market below 20. And the reason number three was you could see the difference between the 20 period moving average and the candlestick. So there's a difference are big, and there is a high probability that market will come down and touch and take support from 20 period moving average again. So based on these main three reasons, I have traded in the market, and it was a perfect setup. If the time would have been sufficient, we would have captured 50 points in this thing. But that was not the case, and we got half of this thing, and 25 points. But risk to reward was a bit maintained. You could say it was 1:1, which was not really good risk to reward, because my stop loss in this thing was of 20 points, as you have seen earlier after I have trailed it. So the market gone a bit sideways from here, and it was quite expected because it was around 11 o'clock, and the market do tend to go a bit sideways. But you could see at the last movement there was a fall in crude US oil also, and in crude oil also futures, and it got to hit 25 points as a target. Usually I should have exited at 25 points or near the 20 period moving average, because it could take support there. But on the US oil chart, you could see, if you observe the technical analysis and do chart reading on US oil chart, if you put 21 period moving average on 1 hour time frame, you could see the difference between the candlestick and the moving average was bit high, huge. So the probability that it might go and touch the moving average was high, and based on that probability, I have traded for 50 points target, but it didn't achieve. We got 25 points. It's not a bad target, it's good. We did learn something new, and we exited at this point at 280 186 or 286 with a 25 points target. So this was the trade for the crude oil. I usually do not take trade this late, but the setup was absolutely perfect, and the risk to reward was absolutely good. But due to time barrier, I have to exit a bit earlier, but that's okay. Things happen like this during trading, and we close a week. Don't forget to watch tomorrow's weekly report. and you will understand how we have traded this week. And don't forget to smash that like button. Do write down the comment below how was your week this day, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you would never miss any update from us. And thank you for watching this video.